I sit down, no so the voice of solution represent, man. You see me, I say. So what you don't know, we're going to give some shout out. You see me, I say to Country Boy. And I'm say, big up him, baby, but most of all, big up Judel Johnson. You see me, I say. I say, Miss Deli lady that give birth to him, and they don't say the voice of solution I go represent for mama, man. I say, yo, Country Boy, I go drop it and bust out the head, no, man. Drop it. See, don't know, so represent for Juliet Johnson, you know what I mean? I say what you know, Garrett, because you don't know, say your mother we have to represent for mama, because they love for mama, man. The voice of solution represent, man. She's not just a mom who give birth. She's a guardian angel to put on earth. She know the value of her parent. And to Garrett, she really know what these things really mean. So Garrett really love you. Put the one above you. Miss Juliet, he never turn him back, I woulda beat him. Unconditional love, mama, you feel it. If Country Boy turn him back, I woulda beat him. For all the struggles you go through, just to feed him. If Garrett turn him back, I woulda beat him. Unconditional love, mama, you feel him. If him ever turn him back, I woulda beat him. For all the struggles you go through, just to feed him. From slaughterhouse go right back in the market. I saw she work for put the food in the basket. And yes, she could have done like many. Pam party and clothes her money, she could have spent it. So Country Boy go big up all the mothers them will pass. One up on the kids and know them all they spend the last. For guided through this world, it was a task. So anything you need, Miss Juliet, and I feel ask. Because if him ever turn him back, I woulda beat him. Unconditional love, mama, you feel him. If Country Boy turn him back, I woulda beat him. For all the struggles you go through, just to feed him. If him ever turn him back, I woulda beat him. Unconditional love, Miss Juliet, you feel him. If him ever turn him back, I woulda beat him. For all the struggles you go through. You work from Thursday night, go straight till Friday night. You continue the cycle for 25 years of your life. A Country Boy, you work hard searching for a better life. Grape cow skin and walk and sell your shape, yeah. Ha! And this is a surprise for y'all who never knew. This is the lady who raised Country Boy from the age of 2. When daddy leave and gone, on him she never screw. She showed the love, cause that's the only thing she knew, yeah. I say what you know, Miss Juliet Johnson, you don't know so represented for Garrett, you know. And you don't know so who, him say lover, you the lover, him heart. I want to know represent for the Country Boy sound, man. And the baddest thing around, man. Oh, if him ever turn him back, I woulda beat him. Unconditional love, mama, you feel him. If Country Boy turn him back, I woulda beat him. For all the struggles you go through, just to feed him. If Garrett turn him back, I woulda beat him. Unconditional love, mama, you feel him. If him ever turn him back, I woulda beat him. So you don't understand the voice of solution represent, man. I say your Country Boy son, one of the baddest thing around, man. I say your Juliet Johnson, what you speak up yourself, because you don't know say you're the man of the earth. I say what you know, man, you don't know say you yourself for big up him, baby mother likewise. And you don't know so the voice of solution, say echo, because the love for mama represent for. Love you, Miss Juliet Johnson, Country Boy, I love you, yeah.